Lavatools is the straightforward first pick for most cooks. Switch for flexible probes, compact storage, remote tracking, or leave-in alerts. Choose by speed, probe count, storage, and monitoring style. For most home cooks, buy the Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo. Its folding probe, rotating display, hold function, and magnetic storage make everyday checks straightforward. It works across weeknight proteins, roasts, pots, and grilling without pushing into upgrade pricing. The main catch is convenience. Changing units means opening the battery compartment. Skip it if you need vertical screen rotation or IP67 water resistance instead of its splash-ready IP65 construction. For a smoother instant read experience, step up to the ThermoWorks Sizzle. Buy it if flexible positioning matters, because its 270-degree folding probe works around crowded pans and grills. Unit changes are simple, while the magnetic body and claimed long battery life reduce daily friction. You also get a more water-resistant design. But it costs more, and the display still won't turn vertically. Skip it if the Javelin already covers your routine. For tight drawers, choose the ThermoWorks ThermoPop 2. Its compact stick shape, large four-way rotating digits, easy unit switching, and IP67 construction suit everyday checks and occasional outdoor cooking. It stores easily and stays readable from different directions. However, the fixed probe can't angle around cookware, and the short body places your hand closer to heat. Skip it if you want magnetic storage, a folding probe, or more hand clearance at the grill. For tracking 2 cuts, get the ThermoPro TP972 TempSpike Plus. Its color-coded wireless probes let one app follow separate proteins or different areas of a large roast. That makes longer oven and grill sessions easier to manage while you're multitasking. The trade-off is more setup. You'll need the app, wireless connection, and charging booster. Readings also update more slowly than instant read models. Skip it if you dislike phone-based cooking or mainly make one item. For one roast at a time, choose the ThermoPro TP971 TempSpike Plus. It offers cordless, app-based monitoring without making you pay for a second probe you won't use. That fits solo proteins and cooks who want progress updates away from the oven or grill. But one probe can't compare separate cuts or multiple areas of a large roast. It also needs charging and a wireless connection. Skip it if you prefer quick manual checks without an app. For affordable leave-in monitoring, pick the ThermoWorks Simple Alarm Thermometer. Its long wired probe stays in the food, while the large display and set temperature alarm handle basic oven or grill tracking. There's no app, charging routine, or wireless hardware to manage. The cable can wear and eventually need replacement, though, and it's not intended for broilers. Skip it if you need cordless updates from another room or instant read flexibility. Most cooks, Javelin Pro Duo. Upgrade polish, sizzle. Small drawers, ThermoPop 2. 2 wireless probes, TP972. 1 wireless probe, TP971. Simple wired monitoring. Before buying, check drawer space, probe clearance, app tolerance, charging habits, unit switching, water resistance, and whether you monitor one cut or several. If you're unsure, start with Lavatools for straightforward spot checks. Switch for flexible positioning or compact storage. Add wireless probes for remote single or 2-cut monitoring, or choose a wired alarm for simple leave-in cooking. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.